Are you ready to embark on a journey toward a self-sufficient lifestyle? Here are 10 essential tips to get you started. Tip 1. Grow your own food. Choose vegetables and herbs that are easy to cultivate, like tomatoes, lettuce and basil. You don't need a large plot of land, even a few pots or containers will do. And learn as you do. Tip 2. Compost your kitchen scraps. Turn your leftovers into nutrition-rich soil for your garden. Tip 3. Generate your own electricity. You can do this by using solar panels. Harness the power of the sun to generate clean and renewable energy for your home. Tip 4. Learn the art of preserving food. When you have a vegetable garden, it's good to know how to preserve food, like canning, pickling and dehydrating. They are a great way to extend the life of your harvest. Tip 5. Harvest rainwater. Install rain barrels to collect water for your plants and learn how to filter this for drinkable water. Tip 6. Raise backyard chickens. They provide a constant supply of fresh eggs and their droppings can fertilize your garden. Maybe even consider meat birds. Tip 7. Learn to mend and repair. Avoid throwing away items that can be fixed, reducing waste and saving money. Tip 8. Cook from scratch. Make your own bread, yogurt and preserve to reduce packaging waste and ensure healthier meals. Tip 9. Preserve seeds. Save and store seeds from your plants to ensure a continuous supply for future seasons. Or you can trade your seeds. And tip 10. Connect with like-minded individuals. Join local communities or online groups to share knowledge and experiences on self-sufficiency. Thanks for watching our video on the essential tips for sustainable lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this.